Vue.js. It is open source front-end JavaScript framework and single page application. Installation, setup, process, explain. Browser open. Search box lo node.js download. Enter key press. node.js.org download. First link click. Node official web page complete display. Third option download default set. Download node.js latest version v22.21.0 LTS long time support for Windows operating system using Docker application with npm tool. Scroll down. First button Windows installer MSI green color button click. Download section lo node-version 22.21.0 -x64-bit MSI installer file downloading process start. File size 30.1 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo node MSI file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the node.js setup wizard window lo second button. Next click. End user license agreement application related complete license agreement information display. Read once. Bottom side I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box tick mark set. Third button next click. Destination folder default path display. Local disk C program files newly created folder node.js. Second button next click. Custom setup default features display in box. Next button click. Chocolatey tool unnecessary, skip this option. Second button next click. Ready to install node.js. Second button install click. Node.js window lo first button yes click. Installing node.js. Status lo copying new files. Wait and hear few seconds. Node.js has been successfully installed. Second button finish click. Browser reopen. New tab click. Search box lo Vue.js download enter key press. Official link second section lo display Vue.js.org second link. Mouse left click. Vue.js official web page complete display. The progressive JavaScript framework related 4 options display. Third option install button click. Try Vue online. Mouse scroll down. Copy this command npm right side edge copy icon click. Browser minimize. Windows search box cmd type. First option command prompt click. Command prompt shell window open. Paste here command. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V press. Enter key press. Installing npm Vue version 3.18.2. OK to proceed. Y key and enter key press. npx and create -vue. Project name target directory. Type here default Vue project and next enter key press. Default set first option TypeScript. Enter key press. Select experimenter features adding. Enter key press again. Enter key press. Creating done. Now run. Create directory. Folder name Vue-project npm install npm run div command display. Open VS Code IDE. Windows search box lo type Visual Studio Code. First one Visual Studio Code option select. VS Code IDE interface complete display. Maximize window. Welcome page close. First menu file menu click. Open folder option click. Vue project folder select. First button select folder click. First button, yes, I trust the others. Click. Welcome page, close. Terminal menu, click. New terminal option, click. Install extension Vue official. Blue color button, install, click. Already installed, disable display. Page close. Left side first icon, Explorer, click. Left side window, created folder, Vue-project, related files. Third one, src folder. Left side expand icon, click. Second one, components, expand icon, re-click. Bottom side terminal window, default PowerShell window set. Right side down arrow, click. Command prompt, second option, select. Enter the npm text command, npm space install. Enter key press. Installation process start. Wait and here few seconds. After created new folder, node underscore modules. Next, second text command, npm space run space dev. Enter key press. Showing internal window, local host web URL display. Keyword direct, control key press, click on link. UV successfully created a project. VS Code IDE reopen. Left side window, app.vue, click. Project file name, app.vue. Script display. Change the script, div char tech info Warangal. First menu, file menu, click. Save option, click. Browser reopen. Output executed, char tech info Warangal.